Good news everyone. I know that some people will not take what I am about to say as good news, and I am a bit confused that bit honestly, but the odds of the 2024 YR4 asteroid impacting Earth on December 22, 2032 have essentially dropped to zero. I say essentially as the actual odds of 2024 YR4 update currently 1 in 59,000, meaning that a large airburst, ocean impact, or formation of a brand new meteor crater like impact crater almost certainly won't happen. However, there is now an increased risk that the same asteroid could strike something else and release a fairly sizable amount of energy, specifically our Moon. The odds of this occurring on the same date, meaning you could potentially look up in the sky to see a bright flash of light brighter than our Moon briefly occur between 3:17 and 3:21 p.m. Coordinated Universal Time on the side visible from Earth is now about 1%. If such an impact were to occur, we have narrowed down the regions where a brand new 1.3 to 1.8 km or 0.81 to 1.12 mile wide impact crater could form to a 3,300 km stretch of our Moon. So, why did the odds of an asteroid impact change so much during the last 2 months for this 55-meter wide asteroid which was large enough to potentially devastate a major city? The reason why these odds have vastly changed is due to the fact that as new observations were made of 2024 YR4, the more we were able to narrow down its parameters and thus likely future orbital path. Upon its initial discovery, its possible location on December 22, 2032 2.2 possible trajectories million kilometers wide. This then decreased to 1 million km, then 500,000 km, then 300,000. These narrowed pathways happened to initially remove the edges of the possible spectrum, causing an increase in the chance of 2024 YR4 impacting Earth, which rose from 1% to 3.1%. Then, more detailed observations were made once again, causing the possible path 2024 YR4 could take to become further reduced to around 30,000 km, essentially excluding it from impacting Earth, but at the same time giving it a narrow window where it could impact the Moon. As further observations are made, the odds are that the odds of a Moon impact in 2032 will similarly be ruled out, especially due to the 99 out of 100 chance that no relevant impact will occur. I do want to note that 3 other possible impact dates for 2024 YR4 are listed on